iPhone to a Roku Express dongle. It's the smoothest I've ever seen, by the way. It's free. It's pretty cool, and it doesn't have any lag, to be honest. So let's dive right. Hey, what is going on, everybody? I'm Riz, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can screen mirror your iPhone, any iPhone by the way, to your Roku Express dongle. It doesn't matter what model are you using, it works with all Roku Express dongles, and it's completely free, by the way, and built into it. So let's dive right into it. By the way, before diving in, if you're not subscribed to the channel, be sure to subscribe, and now let's dive in. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do, of course, it's going to be on the TV. Since we really don't need to download any additional third-party apps on the iPhone because it's built into it, so it's all onto the TV. So on your TV, just make sure your TV or the Roku Express dongle is connected to the same Wi-Fi connection. You have multiple options, by the way. You can also use mobile hotspot. You can use Ethernet cable if you want to, but just for the sake of this tutorial, I'm gonna use the Wi-Fi instead. All right. So once the TV is connected, Roku Express is connected to the Wi-Fi. Find the Apple AirPlay on HomeKit. Just open the AirPlay settings, and I've never done this before, so this should look exactly like yours. Okay. So once you're on this screen, that's all we need to do. And now let's jump back to the iPhone. Alright, so I'm running iOS 15. If you're not running iOS 15, it's completely okay. The only difference between the iOS 15 and the older iOS is gonna be that screen mirroring icon. If you're not using iOS 15, it should be bigger, but if you're using iOS 15 like I am, it's smaller next to the lock screen or something. So just click on screen mirroring and it should pick up the Roku Express. By the way, just make sure your iPhone and TV are connected to the same hotspot or connection or Wi-Fi, whatever you're using. Once you click on it, it will ask you a code. By the way, this should be a different code for you. Mine is 9673. Just input the code. By the way, this is like the first time it will ask you, and that's pretty much it. You can also just click on stop mirroring and it should stop mirroring. By the way, this is like the smoothest and most like responsive screen mirrored iPhone I've ever seen. It's just so smooth, by the way. So if you want to buy these, if you want to pick up these devices for yourself, I will have all the links in the description box below. And this is it for me. I'm Riz, and if you have any questions, definitely let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out. Alright, so this is it for me, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I hope you liked the tutorial, and if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section below, and be sure to subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.